Come on. Yeah.
Whose line is that you're talking?
Me. I'm talking yours.
Who's that other line out there? Might as well pull it in. I'm going to take everybody.
Okay, come on back. You gotta come back. Walk your foot. Walk it to me. Walk it to me. Yeah, I know, but you crossed them line. Put it out. Still got yours on?
I got mine on. So far.
What you got? Bait? You have a boy here. A big one, right? Leverage, yeah.
I'm not sure if I got his fish.
No, his fish is right here. You're out there. You got your own.
Look at this fish.
There's another guy on. There's your fish right there. Okay, wait a second. No, wait a second. Okay, okay, bring that up. That's somebody's fish. I don't know whose it is. Here, bring it up.
Oh, don't go in yet. Don't go in yet.
I'm not gonna.
Okay.
Somebody's hooked right here and it's headed out to that fish. So whose fish is that? Oh!
Hey, I'll take a gap.
Oh, don't go in yet.
All right, you got him up top?
No.
Yep, he is.
I'm under the boat.
I'm coming to you.
I'll get him
I
a
don't
little
want to let
closer.
go of this line right here. I don't know.
If somebody's fishing, they don't know.
I hope I don't get. I don't know.
Is that your fish?
Back there.
No.
You got to come around the stern.
Excuse me.
Is there a fish on under the boat, Bill?
I get some.
Yeah, let me get under you.
All right, let him go. Let him go. He's coming around the stern. Your fish is where?
Mine's up. Mine's up.
I'm right here. I'm right here. Fish on.
Hey, I got a fish. Look at that.
There they go. Now they're coming.
Right, Leonard. He's
Straight
up.
down right now.
What we got?
I got 1, 2, and then he's got one straight down. There you go. Don's on. Don's off. Don's off. Somebody else is hooked here too. You might want to walk him there. Come back. Just 1 or 2 feet. Come on back.
Is that yours? Nope. Mine's in the. Mine's right here.
There we go. And a little more. Underneath him. Snap it off. You're going to go underneath his pole there. There you go. All right. Get that fish nice and easy.
There we go.
Right here. I see you. Take your time. Pull him right to the right. Straight up. There he is. Let him do his spin. Pull him to the left. Pull to the left. There you go. Stay away from that one line. Okay. What's going to make this easier for you, sir? If you put the rod in the holder first. That way you're not trying to drop and hold that rod. Just give me 1 sec. I'll take the hook out for you. There you go. Peace. Look out. Right up over. Watch. Let go. Okay, listen, wait, stop. Put that pole in the holder for me. Just open your bail. Yep. And shut it. Good.
Come on.
There you go, Don. You're going to have to come over this way to the back. Okay, just watch it for a sec, guys. Just going to walk over. Here, move that. There you go.
All right.
That,
pole is.
No, we're gonna lay them on the seat.
well, it's out in the water right now.
Oh, okay.
Don, just go around it. Reach around it. Because somebody's got a bait out there. I don't know who's that.